Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to copy masks here on Capcut. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so for this one all you need to do is make sure you have your clips ready to go and drag them onto your timeline. Okay, you can see drop right on. Lovely. Once we have these in, to add your mask, all you need to do is go to the very top right and of course click mask, and from here you can add the one you'd like to use. So let's go for a film strip and let's slightly change the size of that. Okay. Now once I have done that, there is no easy way of being able to copy over. What I do prefer to do is have the two clips right next to each other so that I can jump onto the second clip, I can click add mask, and then from here I can go between the two and make sure they're exactly the right size and have exactly the same properties. Hopefully this will change in the future, but at the moment, this is the best that we can do. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.